Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unpair your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer from your phone. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're getting rid of your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer and you no longer need it on your mobile device. How do you actually go ahead and unpair the two of them together? Now, in order to do so, what you're first going to do is go onto your mobile device and find your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. So it's this one right over here. So we're going to go ahead and click on it. Next, click on the gear icon on the top right hand corner. Then go ahead and scroll down and then click Pair Device, which is located at the bottom. Once you click on Unpair, there's just going to be a confirmation message that says, are you sure you want to unpair your device? So go ahead and unpair it, and there you have it. Your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer has now been unpaired from your device. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.